You know that in chemical coordination and in nervous coordination, coordinators are different, so that spinal cord act as the coordinator and perform the different types of reflexes which are done in body. Our next topic is the peripheral nervous system. And the peripheral nervous system, we see that nervous system divided into two types, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Previously we see the central nervous system, here we see the peripheral nervous system. And the peripheral nervous system is composed of the nerves and the ganglia. What is ganglia? Cluster of neurons of the cell body outside the central nervous system. This is known as the ganglia. So peripheral nervous system, the composition of peripheral nervous system is that nerves and the ganglions. You know that the cranial and the spinal nerves arises which can act in the cranial nerves present in the brains, and the spinal nerves are present in the spinal cord. You know that all these nerves which are arises and perform the different functions, the basis of functions of performing of any type of functions. So there are two types of nerves, cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. In human bodies or mostly in multicellular or higher organisms or animals, 12 pairs of the cranial nerves are present and 31 pairs of spinal nerves are present. And in cranial nerves, these nerves may be the sensory nerves, motor nerves, or maybe the mixed nerve. But we studied in the spinal cord, the spinal cord consists of only the mixed nerves. It's mean it contains the sensory and axons of the sensory and also axons of the motor neurons. So that we discuss the cranial nerves in detail. The cranial nerve is further form the two type of pathway, sensory pathway and the motor pathway. The function of the sensory pathway conduct the impulses from the receptors and moves these receptors through the central nervous system. Means the sensory pathway, the sensory impulses, the sensory axons and neurons conduct the impulses from the receptors and then it's move towards the central nervous system. And motor pathway conducts the impulses from the central nervous system and it moves towards the effectors. And the motor pathway also makes the two other pathways, somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. And the autonomic nervous system is further divided into the sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. And here we study the motor pathways in detail, somatic and autonomic nervous system.